संवसारांतलो सगळ्यात व्हडलो ई-कोयर ड्रायव्ह ई-कोयर वेवस्थापन मेगा मोहीम लायन्स इंटरनॅशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट 317 बीन घडोवन हाडल्या। ही मोहीम 15 ऑक्टोबर ते 13 डिसेंबर मेरेन चलतली। संवसारांतलो हो सगळ्यात व्हडलो ई-कोयर ड्रायव्ह आसतलो। पळयात, लोकांनी आपलो ई-कोयर वेस्ट एकठांय करून आमकां दिवचो, जो पर्यावरणाक घातकी आसा। 14 ऑक्टोबर ते 15 नोव्हेंबर मेरेन ही जागृताय आनी ई वेस्ट एकठांय करपाची मोहीम जातली। जाल्यार सारकी ई वेस्ट एकठांय करपाची मोहीम 15 नोव्हेंबर ते 15 डिसेंबर मेरेन आसतली। लोकांनी हे मोहिमेक मोठ्या संख्येन तेंको दिवचो, असो उलो मनोज मानेकान मारला।
Environmental agencies and in terms of every aspect possible, they have been assisting the Lions in whatever way we can. First of all, we are looking at giving us good e-waste collectors, because collecting the e-waste is no use unless you have somebody who can really use it for actual recycling. Because otherwise, if it is collected and given to a Raddiwala, it makes the same problem. Because they are going to break it out, they are going to take whatever they need, and the leachate is again going to go into your environment. So we are looking at the proper people who will take our e-waste and dispose of it properly as per internationally certified stipulated guidelines.
Anything from the Ministry of Environment on this?
Our minister himself is always with us. In fact, we have our launch. Yeah, the launch is on the 13th. The official launch is on the 13th of this month, on the 13th of October, which is going to have the presence of our Minister Nilesh Kavral with us. He's been with us for the last 2 years. This is the second year that he's with us, and he's really taking every step possible to see to it that this matter is properly implemented.
Everywhere, and we wanted to see how much we can actually get achieve. Yeah, and 11 tons was a big eye opener
For Goa alone, it was
Goa.
big.
And what this time we are going through all these clubs. We have 105 clubs now, 110 clubs, Lions clubs in Goa, in the area which we are, Karnataka and Goa. So all of them will be doing on their, exclusive over such awareness sessions. So in schools, colleges, and also to the neighborhood of each of these clubs.
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तुयेकार, समृता खणगांवकर आनी शिवानी सांगेलकार।